The simplest cells alive today are called prokaryotic cells. They are small and lack internal membrane-bound organelles. These are also the first organisms to appear in the fossil record. They existed 3.5 billion years ago, and for 1.5 billion years, these are the only types of cells which existed on planet Earth. Organisms which are much more complex today, such as fungi, plants, and animals, retain many traits which developed in these early bacteria, from genes to metabolic pathways. So prokaryotic cells are not only the simplest forms of life, they are the ancestral forms of life. Some types of bacteria can perform photosynthesis. One group evolved later in Earth's history, known as the blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. When they perform photosynthesis, they release oxygen gas as a waste product. This oxygen gas would forever change the atmosphere of planet Earth and be of enormous importance for the multicellular life in the animals which would evolve later. So prokaryotic cells, known as blue-green algae, were extremely important early in life's history. About 2 billion years ago, another type of cell is known from the fossil record. This cell type is larger and more complex with internal structures known as organelles. These are eukaryotic cells, more complex than the prokaryotic cells which preceded them. Today, eukaryotic cells not only compose the one-celled protists, consisting of algae, amoeba, etc., but also it is this type of cell which composes the multicellular fungi, plants, and animals. So humans are composed of eukaryotic cells, a cell type which dates back in the fossil record 2 billion years.